Okay, straightforward algebra. We've got three terms, all raised to the power 4. Y to the 6th will be raised to the power 4. X to the 5th will be raised to the power 4. And 3 will be raised to the power 4. So writing this out, we've got 3 raised to the power 4. X to the 5th raised to the power 4 is x to the 5th times x to the 5th times x to the 5th times x to the 5th. This turns out to be x to the 20, and the y to the 6th, again raised to the power, 6 times 4 is y to the 24. 3 to the power 4 is 81, and the rest is copy and paste, x to the 20, y to the 24. And that's the answer to part A. Part B, we've got a rather tedious multiplication of x plus 2, x plus 4. And the only way to do this is to multiply our first two brackets out by the usual method, and then multiply each of those three answers by x and then by 4. I did say tedious. Right, x squared. 2x and then negative 3x is minus x. Positive 2 times negative 3 is negative 6, and that is multiplied by x plus 4. So multiplying everything first by the x, we get x cubed minus x squared minus 6x. That's dealt with the x. Now the plus 4, we get plus 4x squared minus 4x minus 24. So this term and this term will pair up, and this term and this term will pair up. Everything else is copy and paste. So this equals x cubed. The x squared terms, we've got 4x squared, take away one of them, so this ends up as plus 3x squared. Now the x's, negative 6 and another negative 4 makes negative 10x, and the 24's on its own, and that is your answer.